Hi, and welcome to Adventures with Barbara. Sorry, I'm still in my work gear. I just got home because last night when I couldn't sleep, I pulled up my Amazon account and noticed I had three sales. So I'm going to be sharing this with y'all. Um, when you do Amazon affiliate sales with Pinterest, if you market as a business without a website, then you're not going to be found. So, what I was doing was I was sharing it with my personal account, which my numbers went up to, when I checked last night, was 496 followers. Some people claim that you can follow, unfollow, and get more followers. With Adventures with Barbara, um, I think, if, if I'm not mistaken, um, I've only followed 53 followers. Um, I started it at the end of May of 2018, and I've watched it grown with monthly viewers. I don't think I have that many followers. I think it's like 16 or 17. I'm not sure, but I'm going to share it with you. I have my laptop up, and I'm just going to toggle back and forth. And I'm going to show y'all what I did because I have not seen it. So let me get these off because I can't see with them on. So, anyways, let me see if I can turn this around. And no, I can't. Oh, I'm taking a picture of my finger. Nice. Okay. So, it's not letting me.